a smaller, cheaper thing to make it web enabled. I know that after this course you will gain a lot of knowledge that will help you start using any Arduino board as an Internet of Things based microcontroller. Adding this module to your Arduino Uno will open you to more exciting devices, projects, and ideas using the all simple Arduino Uno board or any other board of that matters. The only thing that you would need is an Arduino board and a module, and we'll talk about that in the next lesson. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.